Oh, now the cat's sleeping in my suitcase, my duffel bag. It's not enough to just get hair all over me and my bed. He wants to take some home with me. Yummy. Let's get that out of the way before it causes a problem. May I have it, please? Thank you. Thank you. We'll have water later. You want some more mac and cheese? More? More? Mmm. Is that delicious? Yes. Yes. Oh. You're a goofy girl.
Oh.
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 Can you say grandma? Can you say grandma? Ma? Yeah. You're saying it as good as Kyle was 6 months ago. Ma? Where's grandma? Here I am. Yummy. Num 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 num. He's starting to get a little crazy. He's starting to get a little crazy. Does it go round and round? Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
Ba 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 ba.
Oh, this
Really? Are you getting the giggles out? You dancing? Dancing. Dancing to get the giggles out. You need that.
Yeah.
Dancing the giggles out. Is that Kaya?
Yeah.
There's Kaya.
Yeah.
Who's that? Is that Nora? Nora. There's Kaya. In the purple hat. There's Nora. Is that Maddie? Maddie and Nora? There's Nora again.
Wow, did that.
Oh, my new clothes. Awesome.
Wow. I did that.
Say hi, Kaya.
Wow.
Hi, Kaya.
Bye.
Hi, Kaya. Really? That was not very nice. You don't throw that on me. Are you done?
Yeah. Wow.
Is that Daddy? Who's that? Who is that? Is that Daddy and Mama and Nora? And there's Uncle James and Kaya. My screensaver is all pictures. There's Daddy and Nora at Christmas. And there's Nora. There's that crazy face.
Wow. Wow.
Don't throw it again, or we're going to put it away. Do you want another bite of food?
Mm-hmm. Mm.
Mm-hmm.
It's
Kaya.
Mm.
There's Mommy. You got it upside down. Here, let's turn it around like this. That's better. You don't have to keep turning it. Silly girl. Are you a silly?
Wow.
Nora? Hey, no more milk. We're done with the milk. Do you want another bite of food?
Yeah.
You want a bite?
Yeah.
Yes? You don't want a bite? Want a bite? I don't think that's a want a bite look. That's a I'm going to slap the spoon all over the place look.
Mm.
Zigzag like running from a sniper. Right, Uncle James and Kaya? Sideways?
Wow.
There's Nora. It's a baby and a frog. There's Nora falling out of the bowl. There's Aunt Liz. There's some fish. No. You want more bite? You still have some in your mouth? You ready?
Ah.
Silly girl. Silly, silly, silly.
Yeah.
Is that the light?
Yeah.
Light?
Yeah.
Fan?
Yeah.
Is it Grandma? There's Nora.
Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Go.
There's Grandma. There's Lori. Really? Lori got a special noise. More?
Whoa.
You must be starving. You're eating the whole thing. You didn't really eat much before nap time, though. Poor starving baby. Ready?
Wow, look at that.
Yummy, yummy. Don't really want you to do that with a mouthful of food. That could turn out so wrong. You can go sleep in your chair. You can go night-night.
Night.
Night-night.
Wow, chicken.
What you so amazed at today? Ready? Bite. Ready for a bite?
Yeah. Wow, look at the dog.
Are we done? You teasing me. What was that? Is that Gemma? What's Gemma doing? Gemma? What are you getting into down there? You get out of there. Whatever it is. What? Is that your puppy? Is that your puppy? God, she's gonna lick you all clean. She says, "You're delicious, Nora." Ah!
Wow. Look at the picture.
You got another bite, Nora? Want a bite? Not you. You want a bite, Nora?
Mama.
Got mac and cheese on my pajamas. Yuck. Nora? Whoops. Got the camera going down. Okay, that's it. You're done. Put it here. Let me have it. Let me have it. Really?
Wow.
Gemma must be hungry too. Maybe she needs some dinner. Oh, she can clean up that towel for us. Wow.
What's this?
What's that? Is that Christmas? Yeah. Is that Nora with the baby doll?
No.
More? You done? Okay, you're done. Here you go, Gemma. Isn't Gemma eating your food? She's cleaning it up, isn't she? Oh, God. Okay, you're done. All gone. Good job, Gemma. You're so funny.
What's it doing?
It's all gone. Gemma cleaned it up. It's gone, Gemma. It's gone. There's nothing left. You can't eat the plastic. That's it. Go. You're done. You got a carrot by your eye. All gone. Here. Get that off your face. There you go.